In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder or rearrange pages in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're organizing a report, a document, or just fine-tuning the layout of your presentation, knowing how to rearrange pages efficiently will save you time and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is the powerhouse tool we'll be using today to make your document adjustments swiftly and seamlessly. Once your file is open, we're going to navigate to the Tools menu, a key feature you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select the option labeled Organize Pages. This feature is specifically designed to make reordering pages as easy as possible. As soon as you activate the Organize Pages tool, you'll notice that thumbnails for each page in your PDF are displayed. These thumbnails give you a quick overview of your document's layout. Look through these thumbnails to identify the pages you need to move. If you're just repositioning a single page, simply click on its thumbnail to select it. If you need to move multiple pages together, you have two convenient options. For a continuous selection of pages, hold down the Shift key as you click. This allows you to select a range of adjacent pages in one go. Alternatively, if you're looking to select pages that aren't next to each other, use the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac OS. Hold down this key as you click on the individual pages you wish to select. Now comes the fun part, reordering the pages. With the desired page or pages highlighted, click and hold the thumbnail, and then drag it to its new spot. As you do this, you'll notice a blue bar appearing between the thumbnails, indicating precisely where the pages will be placed. This visual cue ensures accuracy, so you won't have any surprises later on. If desired, you can also copy or cut and move pages without altering the original. To copy a page, right-click on the thumbnail and choose Copy. Navigate to where you want to insert it, right-click again, and select Paste. For those who want to move a page instead, choose Cut from the right-click menu, and then paste it at your target location. Finally, after you have rearranged your pages to your liking, it's crucial to save your changes. Head up to the File menu and hit Save. This step ensures that all your adjustments are permanent and that your document is ready for future use or distribution. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reorder or rearrange pages in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With this knowledge in hand, you can now enhance your document management skills, keeping everything organized exactly how you need it. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.